And then in part 2, okay, we want to find the probability that the number shown on the first die is greater than the number shown on the second die. Okay, so first die greater than the second die, so we can see from the possibility diagram as well. That the possibility would actually, possible outcomes will actually be marked over here. Okay, you need not actually circle it in your possibility diagram if you are asked to draw a possibility diagram. Okay, when you circle it, it might be easier to count. Okay, especially if you have multiple questions to answer. Maybe you can use different shapes as well if you're going to stick to using one color pen. Right? So from here we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 out of 36. Simplifying that, we will get 5 over 12. So if you were to go back to just now earlier on the question, exercise 2A, question 8, whereby we have back P and back Q. Okay, in order to draw the possibility diagram to answer this question, okay, instead of listing out the sample space, okay, we could actually draw a diagram. So in this case, likewise, the possible outcomes is still, total possible outcomes will still be 6. Oh, wait. Okay, so total outcomes will still be 6. And then after that, the way we actually find probability of same color. Okay, same color, that means red, red and blue, blue. So it's still 2 out of a total of 6. So that's 1/3. And then blue and red, so it is either this or this. So the answers will still remain consistent, okay, no matter in this case which method you use. Colors would then be this. Okay, but of course, if the question requires you to draw a possibility diagram, okay, draw a possibility diagram. I'd like you to try out practice now 3, question 1 and 2 on your own now. Okay, maybe let's do question 1 first. Alright, I want you to do question 1 first, then we go through. Okay, you need to draw a possibility diagram for considering a fair tetrahedral die, which is 4-sided. On the tetrahedral die, there is 1, 2, 5, and 6. And on 6-sided die, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It doesn't matter in this case which one is the first die, both dies are different. Okay, you will still have 2 axes. Yep. Draw in pencil, possibility diagram you can draw in pencil. it needs to be very clear. Alright. Alternatively, okay, if you are extremely lazy, alright, and the question only has doesn't require to find multiple probabilities to get an answer, okay, you could replace it with required probability. You understand what I'm saying? So you put required probability equals to this. That would be an alternative. Okay? No need lah. So that means replace, for example, B part 1. Just write required probability equals to maybe 1/3, I don't know. You understand? Yeah. Or maybe if it's supposed to be 3/6 equals to half. Okay, for instance, for example. Okay. Yes, required probability. Discuss question 1 at 9:15. Yes. Discuss question 1. Alright, check your answers. Okay, so your possibility diagram should look like this. Okay, you need not actually maybe down here put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, whereby then after that you leave out blanks on the row 3 and 4. Okay, you need not do that. Right, you just go ahead and do what the question actually asks you to do, 1, 2, 5, 6, and then just delete there. Okay. Then after that, label of course 4-sided die and then 6-sided die. Your axis might also be different. Okay, it also doesn't matter. You could have the 6-sided die on your vertical axis and then after that 4-sided die on your horizontal axis. Okay. So in B part 1, to find the probability that both dice show the same number. Okay. So what would that probability be, Benjamin? Sorry. 1/6. Okay, so how do you get 1/6? What was the working before that? 4/24. Okay, so there are actually 4 outcomes out of total 24. So same die will actually be this, and this. Okay, so 4 out of 24. So you get 1/6. Right? Then after that, for part 2, okay, the probability that the number of the tetrahedral die is greater than the six-sided die. Okay, so what would the answer be? Sorry? 1/4. How do you get 1/4? 6 out of 24. So then you get 1/4. Okay, so tetrahedral die, that means here greater than this one. So therefore, it should be this. Is it? 2, 3. I think it's 6 only. 3, 4. Let's check out. 5. Four-sided die. Tetrahedral die greater than six-sided. Sorry?
Second row.
Second row.
Second column.
Second
Sorry.
column. Oh, sorry. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it should be 10, right? Okay. 10 over 24, so that will be divided by 2, 5 over 12. Right? Okay. Then last one, number on both dice are prime. Okay. So in this case, what would answer be? Charlotte? 2. Answer is 2. 2 over 24. Okay, so both dice are prime, so that means it's either this 2, 2, and then